Hello everyone, I'm WebPop, the Wise Gamer, and welcome to my tech tutorial on how to factory reset Windows 10 devices. These steps will work on any PC or laptop that needs to be factory reset. Some of the reasons why you might be doing a factory reset on your laptop or PC is that your data might have been compromised. You have an older computer that's probably running a little too slow and you just want to start from ground zero. Or you might be selling a laptop and just want to make sure all your useful information and passwords are clear and deleted before you hand it off to someone else. Whatever your reason is, let's dive in and let's go step by step on how to do this factory reset. The first thing you're going to do is you can just go into the little search icon in the Windows dash toolbar. You just type in settings. We want to go to the main settings of the computer. From there, you'll see update and security. As you see, it mentions recovery, which is what we're going to want to do. And then we're going to go with the first option. So we're resetting this PC. We're factory resetting the Windows software to start from a clean slate. Keep in mind, if you have Windows 10 already installed, nothing like that's going to be compromised. You might have to keep your Microsoft Office security key or login information handy so you can log back into that. So you can just click right here to get started as far as how you want to do a factory reset. So if you want to keep certain files, you can do that. What I highly suggest is getting an external hard drive or a USB and just filling out with maybe all the important photos or data you might need. If not, you can do this if you're talking about a few, dozen gigs or even larger than that, or terabytes. Then you can keep the old files. But if you want just to start from ground zero, you can click here. I'm gonna exit out of that because I want to keep the stuff on here. But see, those are the easy steps. You just follow along the guide. Unfortunately, I can't go through all of them, but once you're from there, it'll basically be holding your hand till it resets. Things to keep in mind: this reset takes anywhere from 30 minutes to possibly an hour and a half, depending on how much data or on how much files you have on your PC, how old your PC is, and certain other factors contributing to that. So I would do this process a step before if you're going to be giving or trading or selling the PC to someone else. I would do it a day before just so you can get everything out of the way. Also keep in mind is when the PC restarts, it's going to ask if you have a Microsoft login. So if you, once again, if you are going to be trading or selling your laptop, maybe create a dummy Microsoft account so you can log in and show the buyer uh, that's working and that you can log in and you go those steps. Because if you don't have a Microsoft Office account, once it reboots, once it's deleted everything and it's trying to restart the platform as far as languages, what to call you, what to call the PC, you'll hit a dead end there. So just keep that in mind. Another thing too is if you're doing a factory reset to make sure or to keep an older computer maybe healthy or a lot faster is or even if the computer was maybe malfunctioning, the keyboard, the mouse isn't responding. Once you do a factory reset, one thing you have to remember is go straight to your drivers and update your drivers. Because once you do the factory reset, most of your important drivers are going to be out of date. Once again, I'm WebPop, the Wise Gamer, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like my video, subscribe, and share. Thank you.